Yeah, miss, you can.
This is sum of October, November 2021, paper 33. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. So can you please read the sum, Sidra?
Yeah. So Jason lives in a town where a market is held regularly. Jason decided to buy a bus to take passengers to and from the market. He estimated that he could sell 200 tickets a day for $1 for each. He intended to run the business for 3 years.
Hmm.
And yeah,
Now Jason has options
yeah,
of buying a newer bus.
hmm.
Bus A. That means his expected inflow is 200 into 4. Are you with me?
Yeah, miss.
So he has an option of buying a newer bus, bus A, or an older bus, bus B. So he
Hmm.
has to choose between
Bus A
new
and
bus A
an old bus
or
B.
old bus B.
Yeah,
Jason knew that the older bus would be less reliable and there would be more days each year the bus will not be able to run because of breakdown and maintenance. And the older one requires more money.
yeah,
Okay?
more one repair. Yeah. Hmm.
More money. So you have an initial purchase price of bus A and bus B. And at the end of the life of 3 years of the bus, you have sales proceeds for bus A, but nothing for bus B. There
Hmm.
is something days lost to breakdowns of maintenance. So every year there would be maintenance. So bus B would require more maintenance and bus A would require less. And the repairs cost for bus A and bus B. They've given other running costs is expected to be same. Discount factor is given to you.
Hmm.
NPV of running bus A was calculated at 18,900. Now they have already given you a table in the question paper and the difference in NPV between purchasing bus A and bus B is required. What do they want from you?
So
What do
every
they want from you?
yeah, so they want the difference in the NPV
Okay,
of
they want the difference in NPV and they've already given you a table which has this and this given to you.
hmm.
Okay, so first thing they're asking you, these headings are already given to you.
Yeah,
Okay, so first thing is the change in capital.
change in
If
cap.
I buy bus A, it would be 86,000. If I buy bus B, it would be 45,000. So what is the difference? What is the change in capital?
41,000.
41,000 in year zero.
Hmm.
In
Yeah.
year zero, your total change is 41,000. The discount factor will be 1 and discounted cash flow 41,000. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Then you have year 1, 2, and 3. At the end of year 3, you are going to receive sales proceeds of 28,000
Yeah. Why is it negative?
because it will change, it will reduce the cost, right?
Wait. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Hmm.
Okay, this is 86 minus 45.
Yeah. Figured. Hmm.
Okay, come on. Now we talk about change in receipts. Let's see. Every year for bus A, how much would you make per day?
200 to 4, so 800.
How much?
800.
800 would be made per day. So for a year, it would be how much?
800 into 12, so will be 9,600.
Okay, 9,600. But I don't need to calculate for the year. I
Yeah.
will talk about the change in receipts. In
Okay.
bus B, you will have less of 12 days. And in bus A, your breakdown would be 5 days.
Okay. So
12 minus 5 is how much?
yeah. So 12, 7. So you'll
7 days
multiply
will be lesser. In
with
bus
the,
what?
in bus A, right? No. Yeah, in A only.
We are talking about change in receipts.
Okay, so first you get for A and B and then you subtract it, right?
So
The total.
I will take the difference only, right?
Acha, okay, you want the
I
difference.
will not, if I take bus B, I will earn 7 days less.
Hmm. Figured.
Okay. So 7 into how much?
7 into 800 only, right?
Yeah,
5.
5,600. So
Hmm.
if I am taking bus B,
Mm-hmm.
my receipts would reduce.
Okay.
So that is why we are talking about change in receipts.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, miss.
Come on. How much will it reduce in the second year?
In the second year.
6 days?
1 second. Yeah. It's 6 and 6 into 800, so 4,800. It's
Year.
so negative.
Because the receipts will reduce if you're taking
Yeah.
bus B. And if
Then,
you're taking bus B, this inflow will also not come in. That is why we are deducting it.
okay, figured. Cool.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay,
Come on.
then there is a reduction. There's an increase in 1 year. No, sorry,
No,
sorry.
darling. Here there will be a breakdown of 17 days.
Oh, yeah,
And
sorry,
here
sorry.
there will be a breakdown of 16 days.
Yeah, so again, bus B has a higher breakdown. So 1. So 1 into 800, 800.
So your receipts will fall down.
Yeah, by 800.
Okay. So receipts will fall down. Then there will be increase. So your income is reducing over here.
Yeah.
Here there will be change in repairs. So that would mean your
Hmm.
expense is increasing. How much
Yeah.
is your expense increasing if you're
So
buying
the
bus B?
difference between two. So 2,000 for the first year,
Hmm.
then 1,500 for the second, and third, 6,000.
Okay, very good.
Hmm.
Total change. See, if you're buying the bus B, you are spending 41,000 less,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
They have already told you that when you are buying bus A, you have an NPV of 18,900.
Yeah.
But when you're buying bus B, okay, there is a change in capital. That means your outflow is less.
Okay.
So your outflow is less 41,000.
Hmm.
But at the end of 3 years, you are not going to receive this 28,000 that you get after selling bus A.
Okay.
So that is why whatever is the outflow, although it is less, we would say that I'm not going to receive this 28,000. So I will reduce this 28,000 from 41,000.
Okay, fine.
Fine. Now there
Yeah.
is this change in receipts, there is change in repairs. So what is the total change?
Yeah, so again
There's
you'll.
going to be an saving of 41,000,
Hmm.
but at the same time, there will be loss of income. There will be increased expenditure.
Yeah, so you'll
When
add
you're
all the
buying bus
expenses.
B, although you have a saving of 41,000, but there is loss of income, increase in expenditure for the first year,
Yeah.
for the second year,
Hmm.
and for the third year.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you multiply it with the
Then,
discounted factor.
to get discounted cash flow.
So you get discounted cash flow.
Then
What
difference
is your
in
difference in NPV?
hmm.
1377. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you
Okay.
with me?
Yes.
Now, NPV of purchasing bus A. So
Hmm.
I would say that NPV of bus A plus NPV of bus B. Okay. I
Yeah.
will get the difference in NPV, or
Yes.
I would say NPV of bus A minus NPV of bus B will give me difference in NPV.
Yeah. So bus A you have 18,900, and so minus NPV of B is equal to negative 1,377. So 18,900 plus, sorry, minus your 13,770 77. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, miss.
So here you get your NPV of purchasing bus B.
Yeah.
Okay. C1. Calculate for bus A the sales proceed at the end of year 3, at which NPV of both the bus will be same.
Mm,
Okay.
Sale proceeds, right? Yeah. Okay.
Sales proceed that is receivable at the end of year 3. See, you want the NPV of both the buses to remain the same. Are you with me?
Yeah, miss.
That means this difference should get wiped off.
Yes.
Okay. That means whatever difference I have over here, this should get wiped off.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah,
So
miss.
this money should get recovered.
Okay.
Okay. So this 28,000, I want this much. 28,000 I am getting only, but how much extra I should get so that the NPV becomes the same.
Mm,
So I want to eliminate this difference. I
okay.
want something over here in
Mm-hmm.
such a way that this multiplied by 0.751 should give me 1377.
All right. So
Okay.
you do
So the
137
difference should become 0.
divided by 751. 1377 divided by 751. 0.751.
Yeah, 1377 divided by 0.751. So how
So
much?
it shows negative 18.
By
Zero.
negative, just give me the amount.
Acha, okay, sorry. Huh. 1834 if you round it, yeah.
31,818,34.
33.5. So, yeah.
Okay. So calculate for bus A the sales proceed receivable at the end of year 3 at which the NPV for the two buses would be the same. So if my sales proceed for bus A reduces, so the difference would also reduce and I would get an NPV of 0. So
Yeah.
how much should I get? The question is, how much should I get at the end of year 3?
Okay, so cause bus A ka proceeds has to be uh this thing, right? So you take the 28,000 ka proceeds and you will
You are
subtract.
getting 28,000 because of
Yeah.
which you are getting a negative NPV. So
Yeah.
how much you should receive so that this negative difference eliminates? So it would be 28,000 minus 1834.
Okay.
So 28,000 minus 1834. What it becomes?
One second.
26,166.
Because 1834, if it's included, sorry, if it's deducted from 28, it will give an NPV of 0
0. Check now 26,166.
into 0.751.
Now you put this for year 3, na?
Acha, oh yeah,
26,166
yeah. 26,166 minus,
minus 800
hmm,
minus 6,000.
yeah, into
This
0.75.
will give how much?
Sorry, 1 second. 26,166 minus 800. It's giving 19,003.
32,966
Miss, 1 second. You sub.
into 0.751.
Also, if you subtract from 41 also, right?
So this will become negative 24,757. Now check 757.46. 0.5. So check 41,000 minus 6,908.4 minus 9,333 0.8 minus 24,757, 7.5. So your difference in NPV would become 0.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much you should receive for the bus A? How much should the sale proceeds be so that your difference in NPV is 0? So you want the difference in NPV to be how much? 0.
0.
So
Yeah.
here how much you should get? So this multiplied by the discount factor should give you 1377 to eliminate it off.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. So the sales proceed of bus A should reduce so that there is no difference in NPV. Now, what is the D question? Can you please read it for me? What they
Hmm.
are asking in D?
Can't see it.
You have it with you, right?
Okay, fine.
I think the question would be calculate the ARR.
Yeah.
Okay, how do
Calculate
you
the ARR of
calculate ARR?
purchasing B. Because we must have given information before that. It
Okay.
says the ARR of purchasing bus B was calculated as 24.56%,
Hmm.
and bus A must not B.
Hmm.
And the total net cash flows of year 1 to 13 inclusive for bus B amounted to $74,300.
How much dollar?
74,300. And you have to
Okay.
calculate the ARR of purchasing bus B.
So I
Yes.
want the ARR of purchasing bus B. Okay.
Yeah.
When I talk about net cash flow is what?
Your inflow minus outflow for
Okay.
bus. Hmm.
Come on.
So you have 74,300. You'll subtract your depreciation from it.
Okay. What is the
Uh,
depreciation?
1 second, miss.
I don't have depreciation,
Like
na
your,
darling.
sorry, your the residual value. Sorry.
See, darling, inflow minus outflow
Hmm.
will give me my average profit.
Yeah.
Do I have the inflow of bus A?
Mm, 1 second. Inflow bus A. Twe-
I have net cash
twe-
flow of bus B, right?
Yeah, you do.
Okay, I have net cash flow of bus B. That is the inflow of from year 1 to 3.
Yeah, miss.
So
So
net cash flow, inflow minus the outflow of bus B.
okay. Inflow minus the outflow bus B.
Average profit. Profit you get inflow minus outflow.
Yeah. And
Okay.
miss, if there is depreciation, you'll subtract that also, right?
Yes.
So upon the number of years, so 3.
3. So
Yeah.
average profit
Yeah, that
divided by average investment. What is average investment?
1 second,
45,000 divided by
divided by
2.
45,000 was your divided by 2, yes.
So average investment is 22,500.
Yeah, so average profit upon your average investment into 100. So 43.41%.
43.41.
Hmm.
With me,
Yeah.
what is the question for E?
Hmm.
Your
E said
decision.
advise which bus he should buy. So
NPV for bus A is better,
yeah,
but accounting rate
ARR.
of return for bus B is better.
Hmm.
NPV is considered as a better method for appraisal.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to go with NPV, then you should buy bus A.
Hmm.
However, bus A requires a good huge amount of outflow.
Yeah, it's a iron
So
cost.
if you have good cash flow available with you,
Then you
you
can
should
purchase
go with
bus A.
bus A. That's it.
All right.
What is the question for F?
It says state one method of investment appraisal other than NPV and ARR. So payback.
Oh, okay. Or IRR, internal rate of return.
Yeah,
So
either.
with this, we complete what? October, November 21, paper 33.
Yeah.
Okay.